Hi, we're at Marks Electrical again, and today we're looking at the Gorenje Retro Chic RB60299OBK tool fridge with icebox. Now this model is currently available in 9 colour options and left or right hand hinges, but this shiny black model looks great and is a real statement. The look is 1950s, but the technology is very much today. It has some great features too, like super cool, where after a big shop it reduces the temperature by 3 degrees centigrade for 6 hours before returning to normal temperature. Now let's take a look inside. The door seal is very good. I love these handles, by the way, lovely finned chromy handles, they're great. And the LED light, which is very efficient, lights up this big 281 net litre space. Now the freeze box is at the top, which is 26 litres, and it's big enough for all of your basics. It's nice and deep. It's got a novel ice cube container inside as well, and the door clicks shut nice and securely, so it's not going to open on its own, and if the food is all packed up tight, there's nothing going to fall out. Now looking at the door, because it's a concave shape in the door, all of the shelves are quite deep, so you get plenty in each of these shelves. The top one is a dairy shelf, nice and deep, and it's got this novel egg holder which closes for 6 eggs and opens for 12, which you can store in like that. So I like that, that's a good feature. Shelves 2 and 3 are both very deep, you get lots in those as well. My favourite one, because of its great design, is the bottle shelf at the bottom. It's got a retainer and it's got a small shelf within itself for the smaller bottles. That's a real good feature. Now inside, the fridge is fan assisted, and that's to help the temperature remain consistent top and bottom by using airflow. There are 3 adjustable glass shelves and a bottle rack, and you can personalise that however way you want it. The 4th shelf acts as a lid for the fruit and veg crisper, which is quite a large one, you'll get plenty in there. Dimensions wise, you have a height of 1,540 millimetres, you have a width of 600 millimetres, and you have a depth of 640 millimetres. You'll also need to add on 5 millimetres either side of the appliance for clearance, but there's one more important dimension to consider, and that is the door balcony, which is this measurement here. Because the doors are quite bulbous and there's a high profile handle, it's that measurement there that's important if you're placing it up to a side wall, in case the door won't open because it's hitting the side wall. It's around 175 millimetres on the hinge side. So summing up, this striking shiny black fridge will get lots of admiring looks. Its A++ energy rating means it's efficient. Its 288 litre gross capacity means it's good for a middle-sized family, and it has a 5-year parts and labour guarantee. And you can have one delivered tomorrow, free delivery from Marks Electrical, and that includes evenings and weekends.